There's a muscle deep within your body that's blocking your ability to manifest, to create the reality you desire. And it's not what you think. It's not a lack of willpower, not a lack of clarity, and it's definitely not a lack of action. It's a muscle that's silently holding your power hostage, restricting your energy, and preventing the flow of abundance and creation from reaching you. This muscle is the psoas. The psoas is often called the muscle of the soul because of its connection to our deep emotional energy. It's the muscle that connects the upper body to the lower body, bridging the physical and emotional realms. And when the psoas is tight, contracted, or blocked, it creates a wall, a barrier, that disrupts the flow of energy throughout your body. Think of it this way: when your psoas is tight, it's like a blockage in a river. The water can't flow freely, the energy can't circulate properly, and when energy is stuck, so are your desires, your dreams, and your manifestations. This muscle holds the key to your ability to align with your highest potential, to bring your desires into physical form. But there's good news. You can release the psoas, you can unlock this muscle, free the energy, and remove the block that's keeping you from living the life you've always imagined. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to push harder. You need to let go. You need to create the space for your energy to move. In this video, we're going to guide you through a powerful technique to release the psoas, to break free from the energetic block it's creating. This isn't just about physical movement. It's about reconnecting with your energy, your power, and your true self. It's about realigning your body to allow for the flow of creation, to allow your manifestations to come through. But before we begin, take a moment to center yourself, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Feel your body, your muscles, your energy. Are you holding on to tension? Are you contracting? Notice where you're holding back. That's the first sign that something is blocked. Now let your awareness drop down to the base of your spine. Imagine the psoas muscle, a deep muscle that stretches from your lower back through your pelvis and into your thighs. It's not just a physical structure, it's where your primal energy resides. It's a muscle that responds to stress, to fear, and to the tension we carry in our daily lives. When we feel unsafe, unsupported, or disconnected from our true desires, this muscle tightens. It becomes rigid, preventing us from moving forward and creating the life we truly want. But the psoas isn't just a muscle of fear, it's also a muscle of freedom. It's a muscle of creativity, of movement, of flow. And right now you're going to give it permission to move, to release, to let go of the tension that's been holding you back. First, focus on your breath. As you breathe in, imagine the breath moving into your lower back, into your pelvis, into the area where the psoas resides. Visualize the muscle softening with each inhale. Let the air fill the space, expanding it. On the exhale, imagine the tension leaving your body. Let it dissolve. You're not just breathing in air, you're breathing in space. Space for movement, space for energy, space for creation. Feel your lower back begin to relax, your hips begin to soften. Don't rush it. Stay with the breath, stay with the sensation. You might feel a slight pulse, a tremor, or a release in your pelvis. That's the energy beginning to move. Let it flow, let it rise. Now gently begin to move your body. It doesn't need to be a big movement. It's about finding a way to unlock the tension, to stretch and release the psoas. As you do this, imagine the tightness dissolving piece by piece. You might feel your hips opening, your spine lengthening. This is the energy starting to flow again. The blockage is beginning to release. With each movement, you're opening up the pathway for your manifestations to come through. You're no longer blocked. You're no longer stuck. You're freeing the flow of energy that's been waiting for you to allow it. This is how you unlock your creative power. This is how you unlock your ability to manifest. Take a moment to check in with your body. Do you feel more open? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel more connected to your desires? This is just the beginning. The psoas holds so much more than physical tension. It holds the stories of your life, the stories you've carried in your body, the ones that have shaped your reality. As you continue to move and breathe, the energy in your psoas begins to release more deeply. The tension that was once locked in this muscle starts to unravel. It's like a dam breaking, allowing the energy to flow freely throughout your body. The psoas has always been there, silently holding your energy, holding your power, but now you are reclaiming that power. You are taking back the flow that was once restricted. As the energy begins to move, notice what arises. You may feel subtle sensations, heat, tingling, or even emotional release. This is the energy that has been trapped within you, seeking to be set free. Don't resist these sensations. Let them come. Let them rise. You are moving energy in a way that you haven't before, and your body is responding. With each breath, feel the psoas soften more. Imagine it stretching, lengthening, releasing more tension. Your hips are beginning to open, and the flow of energy is becoming more fluid. You are no longer holding on to fear or resistance. You are creating the space for your manifestations to unfold. The psoas is directly connected to your ability to manifest. When this muscle is blocked, your field is blocked. It's like a veil between you and the things you desire. But as you release this tension, you are also lifting the veil. You are opening the door to your manifestations. The energy that once held you back is now setting you free. This is the power of the psoas. It's not just a muscle, it's a key to your creative energy, to your ability to bring your desires into physical form. And as you continue to release and soften, you're creating the space for your intentions to manifest with ease. Now take a moment to feel what shifted. Can you sense the opening? Can you feel the lightness in your body? This isn't just about releasing muscle tension. This is about unlocking your potential. This is about aligning your energy with the flow of creation. Feel that shift within you. Let it anchor deep in your body. The more you continue to release, the more aligned you become with the flow of abundance, with the energy that is always available to you. And as you align, the manifestations you desire begin to flow more easily into your life. You've already started to feel the shift within you. The psoas is releasing, the energy is moving, and you're opening up to a new state of alignment. But this is just the beginning. To truly harness the power of this release, you must commit to the process. This isn't a one-time fix. To keep your energy flowing freely, make this practice a part of your daily life. Every movement, every breath, every moment you give to yourself will continue to unlock your manifestations, bringing you closer to the life you desire. So, keep moving, keep breathing, keep releasing. The universe is responding to the energy you're now radiating. Trust in it. Trust in yourself. Manifestation is no longer a struggle. It's your natural state. Are you ready to go deeper, to fully embody the energy of creation and manifest with ease? Then let's continue. This journey has just begun. As the tension in your psoas continues to melt away, you may begin to feel a deeper connection to your body, to the flow of energy that is now coursing through you. You are no longer fighting your energy, you are allowing it to move, to expand, to align. This release is not just physical, it's a reawakening of your creative power, of your ability to manifest what you desire with ease. With each breath, imagine your psoas continuing to stretch and release. Visualize it as a strong, flexible muscle that supports you, not just physically but energetically. It's no longer a barrier to your manifestations. It's a conduit for them. Every time you soften this muscle, every time you release the tension, you are creating the space for your desires to flow freely into your life. As the energy moves up from your hips, feel it spreading throughout your entire body. Your torso is becoming more open, your chest more expansive. You're not just releasing in the lower body. The energy is moving up through your heart, your throat, and even into your mind. The flow of manifestation is no longer blocked at any level. You are fully aligned, your energy is open, and the universe can now respond. The more you continue to release this muscle, the more your manifestations become an effortless process. The psoas has been holding on to so much energy that was ready to flow freely but couldn't until now. And as it releases, your ability to create the life you desire becomes a natural, organic extension of who you are. Feel the freedom in your body. Feel the sense of ease. Manifestation is no longer something you have to work hard at. It's not something you have to chase. When your energy is aligned, the universe comes to you. The people, the opportunities, the resources, they all begin to align with the energy you are now radiating. This is the gift of releasing the psoas. You are not just freeing yourself from physical tension, you are unlocking your creative potential. You are becoming a magnet for your desires, and they are already on their way. As you feel the alignment deepening within your body, notice the subtle yet powerful changes in the way you are experiencing your surroundings. The energy that was once confined is now flowing freely, and with it, your body is becoming more vibrant, more attuned to the natural flow of creation. You are no longer waiting for the world to catch up with you. You are moving with it, and as you do, the world moves with you. The psoas is often referred to as the muscle of the soul because it is so intimately connected to our deepest emotional and spiritual experiences. When this muscle is released, the energy that has been blocked by old patterns, past traumas, and suppressed emotions begins to flow freely. You may start to feel lighter, more expansive. You might even feel a sense of relief, as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. With every breath, you are reconnecting with your true power, your creative essence. The more you release, the more you remember who you are. Your manifestations are not far away. They are already here, moving towards you with each breath you take, with each step you make. Your psoas has unlocked the pathway, and now the energy of creation is flowing through you effortlessly. The beauty of this process is that it's not about forcing or struggling, it's about aligning with your true self. When you align with your own energy, you are no longer pushing against the current, you are flowing with it. Your desires, your dreams, and your goals are no longer distant or unreachable. They are a natural extension of your own energy, and as you continue to release and open, they will naturally manifest into your reality. Take a moment to reflect on the changes you're already feeling. Notice the subtle shifts in your energy. Perhaps you feel more centered, more connected to your body, more at ease in your mind. These are the signs that you are in alignment with the flow of creation. You are no longer blocked. You are in a state of readiness, ready to receive, ready to create, ready to manifest. You have unlocked the energy that has been held in your body, and now it is free to move, to expand, and to create. Trust this process. Trust that as you continue to release and realign, everything you desire will come to you with ease. You are not trying to manifest, you are simply allowing it. As you continue to breathe and feel the energy move freely through your body, you may notice a new sense of openness, of spaciousness, both physically and mentally. The psoas has released its grip, and with it you've unlocked the very flow of creation within yourself. The blockages are gone, the tension is no more. The barriers that once kept you from manifesting your desires have dissolved. Now, you stand in a place of pure potential. Take a moment to reflect on how this feels. How does it feel to no longer be held back by that muscle, by that tension? How does it feel to have the space you need for your manifestations to flow freely? There's no resistance, no force required, just presence, just alignment. Your energy is now an open channel for the universe to respond to. Your thoughts, your desires, your intentions are now in full harmony with the energy around you. Feel how deeply connected you are to this moment, to this space, to this energy. The psoas is not just a muscle, it's the gateway to your deepest creative essence. It's the bridge between your physical body and your higher self. And now that it's open, the flow of energy is limitless. As you go forward from here, carry this newfound freedom with you. You've unlocked the potential within your body, within your soul, and within your energy field. When the psoas is released, you are no longer confined to past patterns, to limited beliefs, to obstacles that have been holding you back. You are free, you are aligned, you are ready to manifest the life you've always wanted. This is your new reality. The universe is now responding to your energy, to the frequency you've unlocked within yourself. Manifestation is no longer something you try to make happen. It's something that happens naturally because you are aligned with it. You are in the flow. Remember this feeling. Stay connected to it. As you continue to move forward in your life, trust that your psoas will remain open, and with it, the energy of creation will continue to flow. This is the beginning of a new chapter for you, one where manifestations come with ease, one where you are fully aligned with the life you've always desired. You are no longer blocked, you are free, and now your creations are already on their way.